Hello guys, what's up? I'm gonna show you exactly how to make an account on KuCoin. So make sure to watch the video till the end to not miss any important steps. So first, you want to go to the KuCoin website. Here we are. After that, you're gonna click on sign up now, which will take you to this page. You're gonna want to put your email or phone number. I'm gonna go with email. And after that, click on create account and claim reward. Verify that you're a human, and they'll send you a code on your email. So you're gonna wanna go to your Gmail, copy it, then paste it right here. After that, you're gonna make a strong password. Make sure for it to be really strong for security purposes. Then click confirm, and you're all done.